Hey guys, we're back with another video, and this one's going to be quite simple for your iPhone 16 Pro. It's the battery on top. Do you want it to show the percentage? If you want to show the percentage, there's two things you can do. All right, so first we're going to go to settings and we're going to go into battery right here. Once you go to battery, you'll see that you have the option of battery percentage. I'm going to go ahead and click that, and voila, as simple as that. Now you have how much percent you have. This is especially helpful when you need to start charging or that you know the battery is getting low. But let's just say we don't click on that. There's another quick, simple way to do it where it doesn't, you don't have to change the settings. And that's just simply swiping down. And when you swipe down, it'll say how much percentage you have. Okay, so then here it says 43%, and I didn't have to change the settings. So, yep. Anyways, quick, simple video. I hope that helps. Please like or comment below. Appreciate it. See you next time. Bye-bye.